Guys, welcome back to the channel. All right, I'm going to do a quick unboxing or unpacking of a case that I bought on Amazon for the Google Pixel 10a. Now, the 9a case does fit on the Pixel 10a, but it's not a perfect cutout. So I picked this case up. It's FNT case on Amazon. I think I paid $9 for it or $10. And this one also, it's a clear case in the back, and it comes with a screen protector. And so you got to take this out carefully because you don't want to break the screen protector, man. So that's very important. So be careful because these things, it's kind of tight in there. So you got to be careful and take it out slowly. See, the screen protector is already bending. I wonder if it's already cracked. I've had that happen where I've actually bought a case with a screen protector and the screen protector is already damaged. So hopefully that's not the case. So let's go ahead and take this out. All right, screen protector. All right, so it doesn't have a punch out, which does suck though. I kind of like the ones that have a hole punch, but if you want to get one of those, you got to get it separately. So anyway, here's the case, and I like this texture that it has. It's kind of like, it's like matte, but it's kind of soft in the back. All right, so, but I like the side. So the side, when you squeeze it, it's not slippery. So I don't like slippery cases. So let's go ahead and slap this on. All right. Well, there we go. So here's the case, and pretty simple. All right, so let's go ahead and see how that looks. All right. All the punch holes, all the holes are in the bottom. They're all aligned perfectly. Now let's see with the buttons here. All right, the buttons are clicky. All right, so everything works. So now let's go ahead and put the screen protector on. All right, let's get the screen protector going here. So let's go ahead and make sure we clean everything first. So we're gonna have, I never use these stickers. I don't even know why they put these on here. I really never use these. I don't even know what to do with these things. So I just throw those to the side. So we get the wet wipe. And we're gonna go ahead and wipe this down with the wet wipe. It's better if you actually keep it turned off when you put these screen protectors on. So when you clean it, you'll see like if it's smudging anywhere. So let's get the dry one out too. And there we go. So I always say turn it off so you can see the smudges. All right, God, these things are so tiny, man. If you have your own cloth, I suggest you use it. Here we go again. So I got to turn that off. All right. And make sure there's no smudge there. All right. Double check the angles. See if there's anything smudging anywhere. All right. So that looks good. Let's get the screen protector up here. All right. Slowly. All right. So this side is going to go on top. All right. So I have to do it sideways usually. All right. Let me do sideways. Turn this off. Just kind of align it. Just kind of let it sink in. You don't really have to press it too much. And then it'll start, you see it'll start filling in. Just like that. All right. There we go. It'll go all the way to the bottom. And boom, you're good to go. Put the case back on. And here we go. All right. There we go. Done. And that's it. That's the case with the screen protector. And easy peasy. Anyways, guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget, subscribe down below. Till next time, stay blessed and stay tuned.